Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off iPhone completely with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to click on the power button and the volume up button like this. And as you can see, there is now in the top of the screen that slide to power off. So if you want to close your iPhone, you have just to slide to the right, so your iPhone will be like turned off completely. I hope that you like this video, and if you have any other question, don't forget to write it in the comment section and I will be sure to answer your question in one of our next videos. So before closing the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.